Well, hello everyone, welcome to Lewis L2. Welcome to this car's Grand Prix down that.
You ready?
Ollie, go!
Focus the car on the icon.
That's a nice car.
Yeah, ready?
In place.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was fun. That was really fun.
Hello.
Okay, so now we're taking it back up for round 2 of this car's Grand Prix. No, I'll call that the Wattimobile. The Wattimobile Grand Prix. Ollie, hold the phone like this. Okay. Hello. Hello. Oh, why is it this story? Okay. Lewis, be prepared. So round number 2. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Was that good? Woo! That was really good, guys. Jesus. Win! You alright? Was that good? Was that really fun?
I think.
Hello. I just say that.
Round number 3.
Yeah.
The final round of this video.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Go!
Woohoo! Now I'm going down, and I got braking turns me. That's why I put my leg out. And that was a bad one. Oh, I'm going back up now.
Thank you guys for watching and have a amazing day.
Well, goodbye.